What's up, you guys? It's your boy Kim's Vlogs back at it again with their brand new fucking bang video. For today's video, guys, we're gonna be trying McDonald's pancakes for the first time. And right now it's 8 in the morning, so it's a perfect time for some breakfast. And also, I'm gonna tell you guys how I got my name, King's Vlogs. I know some people have told me, how did you get that name? So I'm gonna tell you guys on this video. And make sure to go get some food because I'm gonna be eating on this video, so y'all gonna get hungry. I know it. So go get some food, but make sure to drop a like, guys. Hit that subscribe button, turn on my post notifications, and I'll pick up the vlog when I'm at McDonald's. All right, let's go. Alright, guys, so we got the big breakfast with hotcakes. So what I like putting on the hotcakes, pancakes, however y'all want to call it, I like putting the butter first, then strawberry jelly, then the syrup, man. Strawberry jelly goes on pancakes, guys. If y'all haven't tried it, y'all try it out and let me know. But let's get straight to eating and telling you guys how I got my name, you know what I'm saying? Kingless Vlogs. So this all started back in my high school days, you know what I'm saying? So what I like doing, I'm gonna put on the biscuit, I'm gonna put the sausage. It came with the sausage. Then I'm gonna put some egg right here, you know what I'm saying? Let me see. Let's put some egg right here. And I asked for hot sauce as well, so there you go. Hot picante and some pepper. We're gonna add some pepper to the eggs. What the heck? Where's the pepper at? Look at that. It says pepper, but there's no pepper inside. What in the world? Okay, this one has pepper. Look, I don't know if y'all can tell, but let's open this. Let's add some pepper. Oh, look at that. Now you put this right here. Now let's take a bite real quick. Look at that. And I got some Sprite. Bussin'. Now let's try it with the hot sauce. Let's try it. Have the hot sauce right there. I don't know if y'all can tell. There you go. Smacking. Alright, guys, so how I got my name, King's Vlogs. So this all started, as I said, in high school. So my first YouTube account was the name was Kingless Vlogs with the V, not with the B, but with the V, you know, vlogs. So me and my friend were just walking, and so back then I used to watch YouTube, YouTubers 24/7, hella all day. Even at school, guys, I didn't give no F about school, and I would just watch Face Rug, Brawadis all the time in class. And one day my friend told me, why don't you start a YouTube channel? And then I was thinking about it, and then I was like, I should give it a try. I should start one and see how it goes and everything. And then the next day, guys, so this was my freshman year. It was my freshman year that I started my first YouTube channel. And so my first account, I think it had close to 5,000 subscribers. And then I just couldn't post no more. I don't know why. YouTube, man, I don't know why why YouTube does this to me, but I couldn't post that on my first channel, so that's why I made another channel, and it's this one that I'm posting this video on, King Lives Vlogs with the B. But me and my friend were just walking around looking for names on Google. So we were just looking on names and trying to figure out what my YouTube channel name was gonna be. So we found like a list, like it had like at least 30 names on it, and then we found Kingless, just Kingless. So we found Kingless. That was like the, I don't know, like the cool one, you know, from like the whole list. So we were like, what if you so for the name for the YouTube channel, we do Kingless, you put Kingless. And then he was like, but other than that, we should add something else to Kingless. And then so like I was looking at other YouTubers' names as well on like YouTube, and then like I was seeing other YouTubers had like vlogs, like, so like me, right? So Kingless Vlogs, so they had vlogs as their like second last name. Alright, so let's just say that, so my full name, so like my first name, guys, my first name is Chris, and then my last name is Ochoa. So for my first name for my channel was Kingless, right? And then my last name would be Vlogs. So a bunch of people on YouTube had Vlogs as their last name on YouTube, you know? So I was like, why don't we just add Vlogs to Kingless? So it was Kingless Vlogs with the V for my first channel, and then I couldn't post on it, so I changed it to Blogs with the B instead, because YouTube be, you know. Buzzing, man. It's a bit difficult to like explain it, but hopefully you guys get what I'm saying. Hold up, guys, I'm gonna make my pancakes look good. All right, hold up, I'm gonna end the vlog real quick. All right, guys, so this is how I make my pancakes. Focus, man. But let me try to focus this. There you go. Focus. Look at that. Strawberry jelly, some butter. Yes, sir. And the syrup. Now, let's try it. Let's try these pancakes for the first time from McDonald's. Let's see. Man, these are okay. Look at that. Okay. Damn, man. Look at that. Okay. They're busting, man. I can't even speak. They're bomb, guys. I'm not gonna lie. These pancakes, hotcakes are good. Look at that. Y'all want some? There you go. That's good, guys. This thing is busting. Busting. Yes, sir. Y'all just gonna see me eat. That's it. That's good, guys. I give it a 10 out of 10. Not gonna lie, not capping, 10 out of 10. Best pancakes ever. But yeah, guys, so that's how I got my name. Kingless Vlogs. It was vlogs, but as I said, they closed my other account, so I changed it to blogs with a B. So me and my friends were just looking up names back in my freshman time in high school. We were just looking at names, and then we found that name Kingless on the list. So there were 30 names on the list, and we found Kingless, and that was like the coolest one in the list, so we picked that one. And then I just found like a bunch of people had vlogs in their name, so I just added vlogs to Kingless, and that's how we got the name. But yeah, guys, so other than that, I'm gonna be closing to this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on my post notifications. Man, it's hot in my car, guys. I have the AC off, because if I put it on, y'all wouldn't hear me talk. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed, y'all already know what to do. And it's been your boy, Kingless Vlogs, and I'm out. Peace.
On the track, give me back, tatted on the back, I'm tatted on her neck, carry caught it back. Shawty wanna live, shawty wanna live, shawty wanna roll, shawty wanna get, shawty wanna pop, shawty wanna live. And I still pop pill, and I go on drill. Shawty wanna fuck,